today I gotta go to Bitung to check the boats to Papua. It's an hour drive away. It's strange that Manado does not have such a big harbor that you have to drive an hour away, but I guess it's the way it is. So I'm on my way now. Hopefully I can find a place right away over there and find a boat right away. So that's the story. Hopefully it's going to be a pleasurable road, and that we'll be able to do it in the sun. All right, let's ride on. The saga begins. Here I'm told, yes, a confirmation, there's a boat leaving on the 1st, which would be great. Apparently it takes only 1 day to get there, and the first class ticket costs 1.4 mil or so. But for the motorcycle, it's a different story. I need to register elsewhere, and on Saturday, they're closed at 12. So basically, I missed the boat by half an hour. And that cannot be done online. I could buy the ticket, the first class ticket online, not a problem, but for the bike, I need to do this in person, so I might have to come back here, and I don't really want to. So the story right now, I am going to ride to, there's a ferry as well, very easy from here. I'm going to go see if they have some options to offer. Okay, off we go. Alright, so here's another mess. This, don't know, whatever. Go check out this. Hopefully we can get some information about the ferry to Sorong. There's a boat from here with ferry for a 400 and change, only economy, to Ternate. And from Ternate, they have no idea. He doesn't know, he can't tell me. This system is like really, really weird. I think I'll just go with Pelni. I'll have to find out what I need though. Alright, so I've done this trip here today for no reason whatsoever. That's the end of this. Alright, let's go back to Manado. Good morning, everyone. I've got some announcement to make today. I've been feeling a bit ill over the last couple of days, and getting fluish and so on. I feel like quite exhausted these days. After yesterday's journey to Bitung and seeing how difficult it is to find a proper schedule for trip to Papua. I've just decided that I might not make it to Papua. I've reached Manado. That in itself is an achievement, I guess. But right now, my health is, I hurt my leg the other day, camping as well. And right now, I'm just not feeling up to it. So I do need to be in Papua. I got some work there in about 2 weeks. I need to find my way back to Surabaya so I can fly later. Yeah, I've got some things that I need to do in November in Surabaya. So this will be kind of like the end of my journey. To get back to Surabaya, I'll be riding back to Palu. Yeah, it's a ride of about 4 to 5 days to Palu to get on the ferry that goes to Surabaya. So this is it. It pains me to have made it so far and not be able to ride my bike in Papua. But the only ship that could take me there in time is Pelni. And my ticket for me would be 1.4 mil. The bike would be 1.9 mil. And it needs to be crated as well. And I don't know how much that's going to cost. Then I'd need to get from Papua to Surabaya to get me back in Surabaya in time. The expense would be quite significant as well, and I have no ways of finding out exactly what that would cost and when that would leave as well. So full apologies for those of you who expected me to get to Papua. It was my goal too, and believe me, there's a lot of thought that's been put into this, but I feel exhausted, I feel sick, my leg hurts, and I think for the time being this is the best decision. Well, all set and ready to go. Actually, I have to say I'm glad I made that decision because I feel like I've got a whole new second wind. I feel excited about this decision to ride to Palu or Makassar, depending on where I can find a boat. So I'm happy I made the decision. It feels better for me. Right now the schedule doesn't look so good though, because apparently there's a boat leaving on 3 days and another one leaving 10 days after that. So I don't know if I can make the one that leaves in 3 days. If not, I'll be riding to Makassar. Now I'm going to ride on the north coast, leaving from Manado, and hopefully find a place to camp somewhere there tonight. Okay? So let's ride on. Cheers. Some nasty clouds, but I'm confident we're going to do fine. It's been a nice road so far. I've been at it for about 2.5 hours. I have now gone beyond the road I traveled on before. So from this point on, it's all new roads for me. Oh, some ducks here. Oh, cool. Can you see that? All the ducks. I'm a bit hungry, so I'm looking for a place to stop very soon. So that's the plan for now. Hopefully I'll find something very soon and then decide what's going to happen next. I mean, it's such a nice drive and it's going very well. I might drive beyond 4 o'clock today. I'll see what happens. All right, let's ride on. Oh, look at the ducks. Hello, ducks. Hi, ducks. All right, let's go. Woo! mereka nonton YouTube.
Boleh minta. Ada YouTube.
Ini ya, ini YouTube channel. Bisa ikut ya.
Boleh ini minta nih. Jadi minta.
Ya, ini.
Boleh dipasang di motor.
Ya, ini.
Boleh pasang di kendaraan ini. Boleh ditempel di motor.
Subscribe.
Nanti kita komen ya.
Yeah. Alright, cheers.
Okay.
Makasih ya. See ya. Okay. Alright, so we got a beach right here. Apparently we can go camping. I'm 30 kilometers from where I wanted to be, so that's good enough for me. Well, this looks all right. Hey, this is the way that I can camp here. I'm happy. Legend, one. Well, it's totally sorted. Ramzi, Ramzi from Bikini Bottoms, a cafe right here, told me I can just pitch it over there, no problem. So we're sorted. We got a place to stay. Might get some music until 12, but that's okay now. Yeah. Inilah. Ya, saya di situ. Ya, bagus. So this is Paramzi, yeah, and he's allowed me to pitch my tent down here on his ground. So we're gonna have a nice night, and later we're gonna go for a drink. He's got some music going on. Ada music, yeah. Okay, so we'll go get some drink later on in Bikini Bottoms. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna pitch my tent. Sekarang saya bikin tenda, yeah. Okay. Look at this place. It's like I'm in Bali all of a sudden. I'm on the beach. I got this nice little cafe. It's really charming. The place is called Bikini Bottoms in Boroko. Quite nice, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm so sorry for letting you down if you thought I would be completing my tour of Indonesia. But anyways, it is what it is. If you enjoyed this, please click like. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And write me a comment. Tell me what you think, all right? And I do hope that we get to meet on the road at some point. And until we do, like they say around here, sampai jumpa lagi.